In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Binance to Coinbase 2025. Full tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into both apps, you know which cryptocurrency you're moving, and you understand there will be network fees and blockchain confirmation times. For this walkthrough, we're transferring Bitcoin from Binance to your Coinbase wallet address. Start on the Coinbase app. Open it up and head to the transfer option. From there, choose Receive Crypto. You'll see a list of assets. Select Bitcoin, then confirm Bitcoin again to make sure you're viewing the correct network and deposit details. This is important because sending coins to the wrong network can result in a permanent loss. Once Bitcoin is selected, copy the wallet address you see on screen. If there's a QR code, you can use that later. But for now, we'll copy the full address to your clipboard so we can paste it into Binance. Now switch over to your Binance app. Go to Assets, then open the Spot section, which shows your tradable balances. Tap Add Funds, and in the funding options, choose Withdraw Method, since we're sending crypto out of Binance. In the Asset search, type BTC and select Bitcoin. You'll land on the withdrawal form. In the Address field, paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Coinbase. Give it a quick visual check. The first and last few characters should match exactly. Next, choose the network. Select Bitcoin as the network. This must match the asset and the address you copied from Coinbase. Do not choose alternative networks for this transfer, as that can lead to failed or lost funds. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. You'll see the network fee and the amount that will arrive after fees. Make sure you're above any minimum withdrawal limit shown by Binance. When everything looks correct, tap Withdraw. Binance may prompt you to review the details and complete security checks such as two-factor authentication. Approve those, and the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. After that, it's just a matter of waiting for confirmations. Bitcoin transfers can take a bit of time depending on network congestion. You'll receive a notification in Coinbase once the deposit is confirmed and available. If you're ever unsure, consider sending a small test amount first, then repeating the same process for the full balance. And remember, always match the asset and network, double check the address, and account for fees before you send. That's it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way from Binance to Coinbase.